Boy, them finna lock them gates on them boys. They about to lock the gates. They can't escape. They shouldn't have came. They shouldn't have came.
For 8 straight years, Green Bay has been a postseason participant. Defensive tackle Mike Daniels and the Packers have a lot of work left to do this season to keep that streak alive.
Let's make no mistake about it. This game is won and lost up front. So if we win, it's because of us. We lose, it's because of us. So let's go out there and whip that ass and guarantee this win. Guarantee on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Get that transition rush going. You got to win that initial battle first.
Damn, DJ!
What you doing, son?
You holding!
Snap to Jameis Winston. Rushes on under pressure. Hit it, sack!
They ain't ready for that.
That's what I'm
That's what I'm talking about. You
Be careful.
Oh, your hip? All right. Hey, you all right? My bad. Hey, you got me excited. Turgo, I should have been born 15 years earlier when you were still young.
He was engulfed back near the midfield marker. Mike Daniels led the way. Boy, but that was excellent pass rush.
That's how we need to rush all game. They can't handle my power. That's a Pro Bowl play right there. Bulled his ass. Too strong. What is happening? What is happening? Damn! Damn! Boy, he broke my ankles on that. He broke my ankles. My ankles are still out there. They ain't even down here no more. My ankles are still out there. He broke the hell out of them. They got AI in the damn Tampa Bay jersey? Turtle, that running back broke my ankles so bad. What? He broke my ankles. You know what that means? So in basketball, when the guy crosses the guy over, they say, oh, you broke your ankles because you... Right, my ankles are still in the field, so I might need to get an ankle replacement. Yeah. I mean, that don't happen often, but, next series, I got to make sure I go recover my ankles.
And here's the handoff to Williams. Big hole around the left end to the 40. Outside the numbers 35-30. Left sideline. High stepping 25. Out of bounds.
Yeah!
And the big burly running back comes outside and shoved away a defender.
That was more than a stiff arm, partner.
That boy throwing those. He throwing those, baby. Let's go. Boy, Mike Tyson out there. They got Allen Iverson, we got Mike Tyson. They breaking ankles, we throwing bows. This ain't water. It's some water. Let's go. They too strong, my dog. We too strong.
Winston under center, 1st and 10. Play action, Winston back to throw. Pump fakes once, now he's hit. And he gives up the football. And it's taken on the play, down the left sideline. That is Dean Lowry. And it's American Pharoah at the Belmont. No one will catch him. Touchdown, Green Bay. 61 yards.
Wow.
And a rare Lambeau leap for a defensive lineman. That doesn't happen every day. My goodness.
Yeah, D. I mean, they did put us on the front of the program. They did put us on the front of the program today. Hey, Kenny. They did put the D-line on the front of the program today. I mean, we got to show out. You right, we gonna win this game. You damn right we winning this game.
6:20 to go in overtime, tied at 20 apiece. Hundley under center, he takes, hands it off the right side, has to bounce it out to the outside, makes the turn, 20, 15, 10, fire to the house for the touchdown! And the Packers have won! The Packers score a 26-20 victory.